Want to know what a campaigning week looks like for a Plaid candidate? I'm Carrie Harper, I'm the lead candidate in the new Flint Wrexham constituency, and this last week or so has been really busy. So we visited Plaid Cymru in Deeside, where Plaid Cymru leader Rhys Piorwerth gave a speech about renewable energy. We spent some time talking to stallholders at the event there, and then we hit the streets over in Shotton. We also drove up to Saltney Ferry to speak to a not-for-profit community enterprise at the Old Chapel. They do some fantastic work. Pop in and see them for a cuppa if you're passing by. Then it was back to sunny Wrexham to film the Wrexham News podcast with Councillor Andy Galanders, and this week we were talking about the LDP and local housing issues. I also had to squeeze in some time for editing and to do some planning for next week. And then we were off up to Caergurley to film a business spotlight video with the lovely Michelle Foulier, who does some fantastic work with young entrepreneurs. So another jam-packed week. We're always out and about, so if you want to support grassroots politics and get involved, you can start by joining Plaid Cymru.